Всем привет, подписчики. Короче, это новое видео. Это разбор интерлопер получается. Новая часть. Сегодня будет наш мистер робот разговаривать. Вот, так что вам приятного просмотра. Там печеньки ставьте, лайки. Вот так вот.
Hey everyone, and welcome to my very impromptu live stream. Literally 15 minutes ago, I made a discovery related to interloper, and I thought, you know what? Instead of editing a video, let me just show you all what I found. So let's go through the paces first. All right, here let me make a little impromptu intro for you really quick. Okay. Well, actually, I guess we need a background, don't we? I mean, I'm sure you don't want to just stare at a black screen while I talk. 1 second. Here. How about this? Can you guys see this? Yeah, this should do. So hey, welcome to the stream. If you're new here, hello. So I'm Anomi, and lately I have been investigating this really weird source engine rabbit hole called interloper. That's what this stream is about. And like I said, 15 minutes ago, I made a really interesting discovery that I want to investigate live with you guys. Mainly because um, I don't want to accidentally miss something. You know, I want to have it all just recorded and on record so that I can go back and look at exactly everything that I did. So, right, 15 minutes ago. Let's just step back in time for a moment. So, I had Portal RTX open. Let me get that open just to demonstrate. So, here's Portal RTX. I'm going to put this in the corner. Okay, the Portal RTX will be here. And yeah, still in the red room. I'm calling this the red room now. I don't know what anyone else is calling it. And yeah, still couldn't find anything out about this, by the way. A lot of you had suggestions and inquiries. I tried basically everything. None of it worked. I tried looking for a map file because some of you thought that there would be like a map inside the files somewhere, but there's not. There's no map in here. So, you know, still a dead end. Uh, I was trying to do something with the say text chat box because you know I can't open the console here at all. Um, I have to try like launch configs, but none of them seem to really work. Like I can't turn on no clip or anything. I'm just kind of stuck. So whatever. You guys already knew all of that. Um, so I decided, okay, let me take a break. Let me go play some Half-Life 2 Deathmatch. I actually do that, by the way. I like to play it in the afternoon. It's fun to go and shoot bots, yada yada, whatever. I like to play Half-Life 2 Deathmatch still. Fight me. So, I launch Half-Life 2 Deathmatch, and then this. So, some of you might not realize the implication of this right now. Um, some of you might be wondering how this is possible. Now, if you don't know, the source engine has a limitation where you can't have two source games open at the same time. TF2 and Portal RTX are both source games, and I shouldn't be able to launch both of them. And yet, for some reason, I can. This isn't even the beginning. This is literally layer one of the weird the weird crap going on here. Okay. I didn't notice this at first, right? But what piqued my interest was when I went into the server browser. Now, you don't see anything out of the ordinary here. This is all just normal. Now, where things got interesting was when I clicked on the LAN tab. And look at that. So, it's some kind of blank server. 0 players. No name. So, okay. What the hell is this? I did a test a few minutes ago. You know, before anything, I closed Portal RTX, and lo and behold, the server goes away. So right away, Portal RTX is hosting a Half-Life 2 deathmatch server? How much sense does that make? I don't exactly understand how it could do that. So, okay, you might be thinking, what happens if you try to join the server? Now, this is where things get really weird. Double click, you join, and. Huh? It seems like nothing happened. Well, until you look at the menu a little more closely and you realize that instead of a quit button, now it's a disconnect button. And if you click on that and you disconnect, and then you're back on the regular menu. Huh. Okay, so I never knew that Source could do this. I'm curious, have any of you ever seen this before? Because this is honestly like the weirdest thing. Well, weird to me anyway. I'm not exactly a Source Engine expert, as you guys all know. However, of course, the one thing that I would think to try, since this is all sort of relevant to the interloper rabbit hole, is what happens if you try the commands? And I'm sure you guys can all guess what happens and probably why I've decided to make a live stream and why I'm calling it the live investigation. So let me just show you. You know, let me here we go. And boom. Look at that. Demo generation right here. No idea how this is happening, but we're generating demos again through Portal RTX. What the hell is this setup? So yeah, I thought, you know what? I have demo generation working again. How about let me just set aside like the next couple hours and let's see what we can find. I know quite a few of you were also pretty interested in seeing the process live. So, you know, maybe you guys can get a more in-depth look into sort of what I need to do in order to investigate and generate demos all night. I will warn you though, it's not very fun. It can get pretty boring. So don't expect much. I'm not expecting much, which is why I wanted to do it as a live stream instead of a video, because I'm not confident that beyond this I'll really find anything. I actually did think about making a short update video, but I decided a live stream would probably be better. So, hey, here it is. I made that decision on a dime. All right, let's start generating and see what we can find. I'm not really gonna keep track of what's what. You know, if you guys wanted to count all the different types, go for it. I'm not confident that we'll really find a type 5. They as far as I can tell, they're very uncommon. So I'm guessing a lot of the stream is going to just be this. Yeah. Yeah, not exactly the most interesting thing, is it? I always find it funny how the demos just put my name on the bot in question, which is why I think that these are being generated, actually, because it's always my player name. Because game demos always retain the names of the people, the names of the accounts that they record. So since these all have my name, um, that makes me think that these are all being generated on the spot, potentially. So how you guys doing tonight? Sorry, I mean I'm asking you that. I'll have to look later though. I can't really see the chat. Because I'm running two source games, I have to, I only have so much monitor space. And I got the stream software. So apologies. Oh, this one's weird. I've never seen one like this before. Yeah, so that one's definitely an outlier. I'm gonna take note of that one. If you guys are wondering, I'm not gonna like look too in depth on these right now. I just want to look at as much as possible. Like I'm gonna, of course, go back and look at these later. So don't worry about that. Oh yeah, I know that. In the console, you can use the up and down arrow to go to the commands quicker. I just wasn't thinking about that. Um, yeah, this is a lot faster. Oh, weird. I think I heard gameplay in this one. Yeah, come back to this one later. See if we can find any gameplay going on. Oh, it's just map ambience? Oh, right. Whoa. What is this? Yeah, I'm 100% looking at that one later. Weird. Does anyone know what song that is? I don't think I've heard that song before. Interesting. And there's so many weird variants in here actually compared to normal. Like, I never, like, there was always a couple weird ones, but there were never this many. This is very interesting. What does it mean? Like, why are they like that? That's so interesting. It does make me wonder if 5 types is even enough to describe all of these. Yeah, but apologies though if you're very bored by this. This really is what it's like doing this for hours. Yeah. But you know, occasionally you find some gold. I mean, we've already found a few interesting ones, but yeah. Oh, weird. That one had a bunch of errors. Um, huh. Interesting. Yeah, so to answer that question, again, I'm not looking too deep into the individual demos right now because like I want to just generate as much as possible first and then investigate afterwards. Right? We're just trying to get the demos right now. You know what? Actually, thinking about this, why does Portal RTX run a Half-Life 2 deathmatch server? Like, they're not even really running on the same version of Source, I don't think. So, what if we try? What if we look at a different game? I don't know, TF2. Hold on, hold on. I want to go. I know that this is kind of. This might just be a dead end, but let me go look at TF2 really quick. Oh, but first, actually, um, I got some requests from you guys to look at Gold Source games. So let me just open up Half-Life 1 really quick and see if there's anything there. Yeah. No server here, so I guess Portal RTX isn't very good at hosting a Half-Life server. Okay, no. Let's go look at TF2, guys. Man, it's been a long time since I've played TF2. Like, yeah, the last time I played TF2, honestly, was when I was recording that B-roll footage for Interloper 3. Oh, there it is. There's a server. Look at that. And if we join it. Oh, dude, weird. That's like the old maid menu. What? Oh, this is so weird, but it's so cool. What? Are you sure that this isn't like a normal thing?
Так, подписчики, сейчас включите звук. Все, говори.
Подписчики, всем пока.
Да, подписчики, если вам понравилось видео, ставьте лайк.
Если не понравилось, ставьте лайк.
Да, я думаю, это видео было очень интересное и увлекательное. Извините, конечно, что так мало. Это практически капля в море. Но обещаем вам следующая часть. Не остается долго ждать, и она будет довольно значительная.